Hello! Today we want to have a closer look to the capabilities of the automation recording assistant. Therefore, I will start the recording. After pressing start recording, the recorder will load and then we can continue with the recording. So, each interaction that is done with the web application is shown as a step in the automation recording assistant. So I will add also the book to the card, and we see it's added to the card. We can switch to the verification mode with simply pressing the verification toggle button in the automation recording assistant. In the verification mode, we can verify certain controls on our application. In that case, I will verify this link here. As we see, the verification control is created. I can switch back to the input mode with simply pressing the verification toggle again. Now I will add fonts to my recording. In that case, as we see, there is a mouse over event at the page. To record a mouse over event at the page, we can simply press the keyboard controls Ctrl, Shift and H, and a mouse over event is created. Now I will select cell phones and also add a cell phone to my card. Now I would like to go to a shopping cart and change the estimated shipping. We will select in that case now Canada, and in Canada we will select British Columbia. This time we will use the keyboard shortcuts Ctrl, Shift and V, and as we see, we are now in the verification mode. We will verify the selected items in the combo box. And also will verify the total amount. So, after we have recorded all things that we would like to have, we will stop the recording. Let's have a look what we can do in the automation recording assistant. First of all, what we can do, we can add comments to a certain step. This is a comment. As we see here down, there is a limitation of 350 characters. I can save my comment and now go to my country, and I would like to change the country from Canada to the United States. During the recording, we also catch the value range of the combo box, so it's easy for me to change the country. In that case, I would have to add here New York, because with the selected country we didn't have the value range for the correct state. I will add New York, and as you see, it's easy also to add values to combo boxes. So in that case, we also have to change the verification. We can also do that over the control here. So we change value and go to United States. And here we would like to have New York, and here we have again to enter New York. So now I have changed values and have added values, but what I can also do is I can delete values. In that case, I will delete the verification of the amount. So I'll go to delete, remove step. Now my step is deleted. I can also switch to the help section of the automation recording assistant and to see the full documentation. So after I've recorded everything, changed my values, adapted my values, I would like to play my actions. For that case, I will press the play button. And as we see, an execution is started. All my steps are executed, my phone is added, I select my countries, I verifying them, and now my execution is finished. Now I would like to save my recorded tests. For that I will go simply to the floppy disk icon and press on it. Now, as we see, we use the name of the application and the timestamp to save the recording. So I will save it right now. What I can do also in the Automation Recording Assistant, I can just play one specific step. In that case, I would like to play all steps starting from the selecting of the country. Therefore, I press on my three dots and say play from here. What happens? We're just replaying the last 4 steps.
Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to the Tricentis Academy channel to get the latest tips and tricks and user tutorials to help you best utilize Tricentis' continuous testing platform. For more information, please click the links in the description.